My screen is visible, right, student? Yes. Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct. So with the logical operation, we had performed first two operation. Am I correct? Third and fourth we need to discuss. Or we had discussed third.
No, ma'am, it's remaining.
Okay. So in our last lab, we had discussed how to perform an ending, ORing, XORing, complementing operation. If you'll observe your ending operation, basically the operation of masking can be possible. Right? Ending operation broad uses why generally it is used to mask your data bit. Suppose if you are having 8-bit data, any out of this 8-bit data, any particular bit you want to mask, you want to set or reset, basically ending operation is very useful for that. Same way, suppose if you want to combine two things, like say for example, you are performing an adding operation, same way logical operation if you want to deal with for the combining, that is basically ORing operation. Whenever you want to detect your unequal inputs, or if you are giving two signals, if you are giving two inputs and you want to detect whether there is a similar signal or not. So whenever you want to detect inequality at that time, always XORing operation is used. Right? Complementing, we all know the broad use of complementing. Generally, whenever you will observe any digital device, you will always find adder, design of adder inside that. Suppose आप CPU consider कर लो, ALU consider कर लो, right? So that will perform an arithmetic and a logical operation. Whenever we will say arithmetic operation, basically addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, we all can understand. अलग से adder subtractor design नहीं होता, right? Whenever you will find your design of ALU, you will never find subtractor. But that subtraction operation is always performed by one's complement. Are you getting me, student? Right? So basically, complementing operation is will give you that provision to complement your number. Generally, क्या होता है? If you want to subtract two numbers, so what is the procedure? You will keep your first number as it is. You will find the complement of another number, and then you will find the you will add the complemented number with the first number. That will give you a subtraction. So always, whenever you will design any digital device, basically subtraction operation is always performed with the complementing, right? And that for that always you need CMA, complement accumulator, right? Here we have only one option to complement, that your data must be an accumulator for the complementing purpose. Then you can complement it, right? Now after that we discuss, as we said that whenever we have a data byte, we can mask a particular bit of our data byte by using ending operation. So in task number 2, we did that. We have two data bytes. We had two data byte. We had masked the higher order bits out of this. So we had separated lower order bits, and then we had performed then exclusive OR operation with the remaining data, right? So these two tasks we had performed. Now, last two tasks, if you observe, that is basically you basically for the rotation related or shifting related operation. Suppose if you are having any data byte available with you, you can shift it by one bit left as well as right. If you remember, we had already discussed this instruction in our class. रोटेशन इंस्ट्रक्शन हम लोग ने क्लास में डिस्कस कर ली है, यस और नो? Yes or no? We had discussed in class our rotation related instruction. Correct? Yes. Can anyone give me the list? Which are the instruction? Nilesh, are you available? Yes, Chintan, Rahul, students, you need to respond. Yes, RLC, RRC, then all of you are here. Let me take the attendance. Let's see how many of you are available right now. Okay. Rahul, Rahul, are you available? I'm taking the attendance, students. Are you available?
Yes, ma'am.
Then why you are not responding?
Ma'am, actually, there is network problem too. Means I am not able to clearly listen.
So that sentence related to attendance is clearly understood, Rahul. हाँ, ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए. If you don't know, you have to say, Madam, I don't remember right now. But at least you need to respond. Are you getting me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Sure.
Kuldeep, Kevin, I'll keep this attendance as a final attendance, right? Divyansh, at last I'll not update anything in this. Divyansh, yes. Divyansh is absent. Tarun,
Yes, ma'am.
Yuvraj, Yojit,
Yes, ma'am.
Pandar, Chintan, Chintan. So, student, it looks like you are not here even after logging in. Chintan, he is in a list. See. Chintan, are you available? Prince, Bharat, Nilesh.
Yes, ma'am.
Nilesh, how many times I told I speak your name?
मैम सॉरी मैम, माइक बंद हो गया था तो पता नहीं चला.
Hitansh, Aziz,
Yes, ma'am.
Milan,
Yes, ma'am.
Anjali is present, Yash, Prachi,
Present, ma'am.
Hardish,
Present, ma'am.
Shwati,
Present, ma'am.
Aditya, Shyam, Vedant,
Present, ma'am. Vedant is here.
Kirtan,
Yes, ma'am.
Kushal,
Present, ma'am.
Neil. Neil,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. So, two students identified that they are available here, but not available physically. Divyansh and Chintan.
Hello, ma'am.
Who is there?
Divyansh, ma'am.
कहाँ गए थे दिव्यांश?
मैम यहाँ नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम था इसीलिए.
What's your number?
28.
Okay. So, students, what we have discussed is we want to discuss about rotation related instruction. Instruction related to this we had already discussed. That is RLC, RRC. These two instructions basically used to rotate the content of accumulator left as well as right without carry. Are you getting me, student? Whenever you are rotating, you may have two options. Either you will rotate left or you will rotate right. Right? While you will consider out of this two, you will select any one. Let's say, for example, I want to rotate left. Again, I may have two options. I can rotate my content by considering the carry. Without carry also I can rotate. So if you remember, we had discussed this in detail. Just for your reference, one more time I'm checking for that PPT. ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. आप पीए इंस्ट्रक्शन में और कोई मिस्टेक नहीं करोगे. यू विल जस्ट फॉरगेट योर ऑप कोड. सो मेक श्योर यू विल अंडरस्टैंड दिस ऑप कोड properly. That basically RAL instruction. We'll start with RAL instruction, which is a rotation of accumulator left with carry. Rotation of accumulator with carry. By that mean, whatever the content of accumulator is available with us, we'll rotate it left with 1 bit by considering carry. So here, student, understand it very clearly. आपके पास दो आंसर होंगे. If your carry bit is 0, then also you will get different answer. If your carry bit is 1, then also you will get different answer. Are you getting me? Right? So whatever instruction you are writing here, just make a note. RAL instruction is basically used to rotate the content of accumulator left with carry. Right? So whenever you will consider that your 0F is the content of accumulator, you will consider a carry. Make sure you are rotating left. That means your D7 bit will move to carry bit. Carry bit will move to D0 bit, D0 to D1, D2, D3 and so on. Are you getting me, student? So here if you consider carry is 0. Here if you consider carry is 0, you will find this carry bit is moved to last bit and this 0 is shifted over here. So at the end, your carry flag is reset. Your last bit is modified with the carry bit, so it is 0. So your final answer will be 0, 0, 0, 1, which is 1, and 1, 1, 1, 0, which is E. Right? So you will find your answer is 1. But if carry bit is 1, so this shifted, this D7 bit will go to carry bit, but that carry bit is 1 and that will move to the 1 D0 bit, so that is 1. So you will find your answer is 1 and F if carry flag is 1. I hope I am clear with this discussion. Any doubt, student, here in this instruction? Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
Correct. Right now, second instruction, which is again with carry, is RAR, rotate accumulator right, again with carry. So the concept remains same, simply which bit will transfer now. Instead of these 7, now which bit will move? How rotation will take place? Rahul? How rotation will take place, Anjali?
Ma'am, the D0 bit will be transferred.
Correct. Your D0 bit will move to carry bit. Your carry bit will move to D7 and so on. Right? So again, we have to answer. One is if you consider your carry bit is 0, then you will find your answer is different. If you find your carry bit is 1, you will find your answer is this. Right? So RAL, RAR, I hope it is clear. Now two instruction, which is again left and right shifting but without carry. RLC basically used to rotate the content of accumulator left without carry. So only simple D7 bit will move to your D7 bit will move to your D0 bit as well as carry bit. Carry bit will be modified but it will not rotate. Again, make sure student here, carry bit will rotate but it will not. Carry bit will modified but it will not rotate to D0. Only D7 bit will go to D0, D0 to D1, D2, D3 and so on. Same way D7 bit will go to carry bit as well. But your carry bit will not rotate, so it is a rotation without carry. So doesn't matter whatever the status of carry can be, you will find your answer is D7 bit will go to D0 bit and accordingly you will find your answer. Now same way RRC is used to rotate the content of accumulator. Previous case में left था, now it will be right without considering carry. So simply your D0 bit will move to D7 bit. D0 bit will go to carry bit as well. Your carry bit is always modified with D0 bit, but that will not rotate to D0, right? So you will find your this content after rotating, your carry flag will be modified and your content will become 0E. Any doubt, student, here in this? Yes or no? Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
Correct.
No, ma'am.
Correct. Now, student, try to understand how this instruction is used. Suppose if I'm having some data available, my screen is visible, right? MBIA. Suppose if I'm taking some data, let's say for example 0FH. If I rotate my content of accumulator left without carry, I want to check what it will do. Any idea what it will do? 04 मतलब binary क्या होगा? What is the equivalent binary of 04? 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0. Now if you rotate left this sequence by 1 bit, then what will happen? What is the answer?
It will be multiplied by 2.
Very good. The answer will be 8. So ultimately we need to understand whenever we are rotating the content of accumulator left side by 1 bit, we are in a position to multiply our content by 2. You can check here. Your content will become 8. Right now, same way, suppose if I'll write instead of RRC, if I'll write RRC, I'm able to divide my content by a factor of 2. Are you getting me, student? So whenever you want to multiply or divide your content by 2, at that time always you may have a provision to rotate the content, right? Without using add instruction or dead instruction, you can perform addition operation by rotating. Without using any subtraction related instruction, you can divide your content by a factor of 2 using rotation right. I hope this discussion is clear to everyone. Any doubt here in this, student? Okay, now what we want to do today, we want to take 8-bit data, which we are assuming that data is available in register C. Now we want to shift that data by 4-bit. First of all, try to understand what we want to do. We want to take 8-bit data and we want to shift that data right by 4-bit. Suppose if I'm using rotation instruction one time, अगर मैं एक बार रोटेशन कर रही हूँ तो कितने बिट शिफ्ट होता है? What do you think? If I'll use rotation instruction one time, it will shift by how many bits? 1 bit, correct, Jana, Anjali, right? So like that, you need to rotate it 4 times, right? Okay, try to do this. Take a data in register C first. Then for the rotation, we must understand data must be in accumulator. Then we will rotate it, and again we will shift a result in accumulator, from accumulator to register C. Can we do this, students? Anjali?
Yes, ma'am.
Rahul?
Ma'am, like we have to move the 8-bit data 4 bits right.
Yes, correct.
Okay, ma'am, yes.
Vedant? Can you do this? Neil? Aziz? Tarun, Shwati,
Yes, ma'am.
can you do this? First, take a data in register C, then transfer it to accumulator. Use rotation related instruction, which are the two instructions that can be used to rotate right. We have two instructions, right, students, to shift right. But out of that, you need to take instruction which is without carry. Without carry वाला instruction. Okay. Those who done with can paste your code here.
Ma'am, we have to do it with the carry.
No, without carry now.
Okay, ma'am.
Neil, Aziz, are you doing? Vedant, Nilesh,
Yes, ma'am. Vedant is here.
okay, are you doing or what happened?
Ma'am,
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am,
ma'am, doing.
2 seconds, ma'am. It's work. I'm on.
Okay.
Ma'am, first LDA, three, ma'am, any operand like 3000, 3000.
By LDA, we don't have a data available onto memory. Data is in register C. You need to take a data in register C first. Then from register C to transfer it to accumulator, shift it,
हाँ
and
ma'am,
again,
ऐसा
okay, again store the result in register C.
in register, okay ma'am.
So Anjali, instead of RAR, you can use RRC, right? Without carry. Anjali?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Nilesh, you want to say something?
No, ma'am. Sorry, mic open. They're doing program.
Okay. So student, just do this program without carry. You want to shift it right by 4 position. Yes, Nilesh. You want to shift it right by 4 position without considering carry. Okay, received code from Anjali. What about others? Rahul, done?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct. So Rahul, your answer is 04. What is your answer finally after
Yes,
rotating?
ma'am. It's 04.
Correct. Anjali, your answer is 40 after execution.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct. Okay. Nilesh, Vedant, Neil, Aziz, are you doing? Yes. Nilesh, what is RAC?
Ma'am,
Have you
rotate
executed
accumulator with
this
carry.
program?
Rotate accumulator with right to carry.
So that is RAR.
Oh, ma'am,
RAC just
sorry. RAC लिख RRC sorry, ma'am.
RRC, ma'am.
correct. RAC कोई instruction ही नहीं है, right? You have four instruction RAL, RAR.
Ma'am,
That
sorry by
is
mistake.
correct. Correct.
Uh,
Correct.
uh,
It should be RRC, right? Okay. So students, yes. No, it's okay, Nitesh, right? Okay, Anjali, can you present your screen? Anjali, share your screen. Yes. Yes. Take any data like both numbers are big number 52 like 25 52 non-zero numbers, right? Okay. Assemble it. So after execution, it should be 52, right? Okay, go. Students, you can check here bitwise accumulator जहाँ पे है, you can check that bitwise. देखो अभी रजिस्टर सी में उसका बाइनरी दिखा रहा है. Can you see? अंजलि वहाँ पे कर्सर मूव करे. Yes, 0010 which is 2 and 0101 which is 5. Okay, good. Now we are transferring it to the accumulator. Go forward. The same binary. Now you can check bitwise कैसे rotate होता है. Just go one step forward. Students, can you see? आपका जो D0 bit था वो कहाँ पे चला गया? D7 में चला गया. Then D7 to D6, D5, D4, D3, D2 and D0. Good. Again आपका D1 D0 पे आ जाएगा and D0 0 है वो D7 पे move हो जाएगा. Move it. Okay. Students, can you see? Okay. Now again next shift it will rotate by 1 position. So if we are rotating it 4 times, what is happening? Anjali, what is your conclusion?
Ma'am, the numbers are getting reversed.
करेक्ट. राइट स्टूडेंट, जिन लोग ने 40 कंसिडर किया था नंबर उसका 04 हो गया. जिन लोग ने 04 कंसिडर किया था उसका 40 हो गया. राइट. अंजलि ने जैसे 25 दिया था तो दैट विल बी एक्सचेंज टू 52. सो नंबर में जो आपके निबल्स होते हैं, राइट, लोअर निबल एंड हायर निबल, that you can exchange if you rotate it 4 times. Are you getting me, student? Yes or no? So there are so many times that there is a requirement that we need to exchange the labels, right? So every time you can use this rotation instruction to exchange. Here that will make no difference. अगर आप left side shift करोगे तो भी आपके your nibble can be exchanged. If you rotate it right, then also you can rotate your then also you can exchange your nibbles. Just Anjali, go to the code again. आपने जहाँ पे RRC यूज किया इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट RLC यूज करोगे तो भी सेम ही होगा. right? Okay, just do it. RLC, बिकॉज आप 4 बिट को रोटेट करवा रहे हो, सो 4 बिट लेफ्ट साइड से राइट साइड जाएंगे या लेफ्ट राइट से लेफ्ट जाएंगे, विल मेक नो डिफरेंस. यू कैन चेक हियर, राइट? ओके. Yes, just move ahead. Are you getting me, student? Right? So ये तो हम लोग को टास्क में दिया गया था कि you need to shift it right. That's why we had used RRC. Otherwise, you can do it through RLC as well. Are you getting me, student? Right? So whenever you want to exchange your nipples, you can use this rotation related instruction. बट मेक श्योर कि आप लोग को निबल एक्सचेंज करने हैं तो यू नीड टू यूज रोटेशन इंस्ट्रक्शन 4 times. देयर इज नो इंस्ट्रक्शन विच विल रोटेट योर कंटेंट in one shot 4 times 4 bit, right? वैसे नहीं है. That will always shift your it will shift your content by one bit always. So I hope I'm clear with this discussion. Very good, Anjali. Right? Okay. Good. Any last point to discuss here? Anyone, any doubt? Nilesh, done. Aziz, Kushal, Tarun, Divyansh, Kuldeep, Hardish.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Done.
Vedant, now done. Kirtan, Shwati. Everyone will paste their code here. Yes, Aziz, paste your code. Will not write same, will paste here. Yes, done. Yes, done with the code. Right? Now, after that, if you will observe the next task, which is again related to shifting. So we have to use, my screen is visible, student? No? Not present? Okay.
Oh, ma'am.
So next program is again related to shifting. But instead of 4-bit shifting, here we want to shift with how many bits? With 1 bit only, right? But the difference is, previously we took the data that was 8-bit. Now we want to take a data, we want to consider data that must be of 16-bit, right? So obviously the registers we have that can't hold a 16-bit data. So you need to take a register pair, right? So any register pair you can take to store your data. BCD HL में से किसी भी रजिस्टर पेयर में आप पहले डेटा को लोड कर लो. Then out of your register pair, you will transfer lower order or higher order byte of your 16-bit number to accumulator. You will rotate it, you will preserve it. Again, you will take the next data into accumulator, you will rotate it and you will preserve it, right? So that will be the flow of your program. Here aapko, you only need to shift your data by 1 bit. So take a data first, load your data into a register pair. Your data must be of 16-bit. आप कोई भी जैसे हम लोग 16-bit addition में कैसे करते थे? We are taking the data in register pair. Then we are performing an addition or a subtraction operation on a lower order 8-bit, then on a higher order 8-bit. Like same way, you need to here take a data into register pair. First rotate it. Lower order को पहले rotate कर लो. Then preserve that result. Then higher order को rotate करके preserve कर लो, right? So that's what you need to do here. Just try to do this. Let me know in case of any query. Are you getting what we need to do, Anjali, now?
Yes, ma'am.
Rahul? Yes, Anjali, you want to say something?
I have one question.
Yes, please.
Like we have to preserve in the same register or like
No, no.
any other we have.
You can take any other register as well. You can preserve in same register also. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Vedant, Neil, Aziz, Kushal. Are you getting what we want to do? Prachi, Yojit. Okay. Now everyone has to paste their code here. Done, students? Anjali, what are you doing? Rahul?
Yes,
Here?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. For left, yes, ma'am. I have done that mistake.
Correct. So our answer is 40 and 80, Rahul?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct. Okay. What is your answer, Anjali?
Ma'am, 24, 24.
Correct. Vedant, Neil, Aziz, Nilesh. Okay, Rahul, can you share your screen? Yes, you can explain, Rahul.
Hello.
Yes, your screen is
Okay.
visible. You go
First,
ahead.
ma'am, first I have loaded register pair by using the LXI instruction. So I've loaded in. So 20 will be go to H and 40 will go to L pair. Then
Very.
after that I have you know L to the accumulator.
Hmm.
L will be moved to accumulator. Then after that I
Correct.
have rotated one bit left by using L. And then
Hmm.
again I have transferred back to the value from the accumulator to that original register. I think I have done
Correct.
for that higher order also. And if
Correct.
I say run it, so first it will load the 20 and
Allow
40.
no करायला
And
wait.
after that,
काय चालेल. Hello, students, can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so as I discussed that if you use RAL or RLC will make no difference if your carry bit is 0, right? But Anjali, in case if there is a previous carry, then you are shifting your content, then it will make a difference, right? So here, what is advisable, student? Whenever you are rotating your content left or right now in this case it is rotation is left side, right? So whenever you are rotating your lower order byte, at that time use without carry. Whenever you are rotating your higher order byte, at that time use with carry. Are you getting me, student? Yes or no? So in case while rotating your lower order byte, if any carry is there, it will be considered. I hope I'm clear with this discussion, right? So you can check here that data you are taking, that is doubled. Say for example, Rahul ने 20 or 40 लिया था, that 20 multiply by 2 because we had rotated our content left. So 20 का आप multiply by 2 करो, that answer is 40, and 40 multiply by 2 करो, that answer will be 80. So total 40 and 80 result you will get. Like same way, Anjali, 1 to 1 to was the content. So 24 and 24 is your answer, right? Very good. So here we can understand from this that it is not always like you can only rotate your 8-bit data. By considering the register pair, we can perform a shifting operation onto the 16-bit data as well. Any doubt up to here, student? Anyone? So this 4 task is clear to everyone? Let me share here. This 4 task is clear to everyone, student. First 2 tasks we had already performed in our last lab. Today we had discussed this remaining 2 tasks. Any doubt, any last point to discuss here in this 4? Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So by today or tomorrow, I'll create a assignment related to experiment 4. You need to complete, like previously we had completed up to 3. Right? You will get this write up from your student lab manual. वहाँ से आपको experiment 4 को separate करके you just fill the details here in tables, memory location, instruction and hex code, and at last you will write a conclusion and you will upload it by the end of the week. Friday or Saturday will be the last date, right? Can we do this, student? Any doubt in this uploading? Right? So by today or tomorrow, I'll create that assignment and after that you can upload it. So be ready with your experiment number 4. By Friday or Saturday, that will be a deadline to submit it, right? Okay, any doubt here in experiment number 4, student? Now, basically whatever we discussed here in this logical group, how it can be asked in exam or your project point of view, what is the necessary points here that we need to understand, what is the outcome of in short experiment number 4 that we want to discuss now. See, if you know this logical group, try to understand it very clearly. If you want to understand this logical group, basically you can perform a masking operation, you can perform a combining operation, you can perform a exchange of nibbles, right? You can perform an exchange of nibbles, and suppose if it is given some time for the complementing, you can do it, right? Comparison here we are doing comparison related जो भी instruction है that we had discussed in this particular group, but we had not considered right now any task related to comparison. Basically, once we will understand the timer and counter, at that time we will combine this comparison to that concept, right? हम लोग जब timer and counter design करेंगे, at that time we will use this comparison related instruction So, if you remember in our previous lecture, in our previous lab rather, we had discussed, suppose if we are having 36 and 25 number, these two numbers, suppose if I have, understand it very clearly. So what we did is, out of this, we can, how to separate your lower nibble and higher nibble, that is known to us. Separate lower nibble or higher nibble मतलब मास्किंग ऑफ निबल्स. अगर सपोज मुझे इसमें से लोअर निबल को 36 में से इफ आई वांट टू सेपरेट लोअर निबल मतलब आई वांट टू मास्क माय हायर ऑर्डर बाइट. आर यू गेटिंग मी स्टूडेंट? 36 में से मुझे 06 को सेपरेट करना है. दैट मीन्स आई वांट टू मास्क दिस 3. आर यू फॉलोइंग मी? Same way, suppose if I say out of 25, I want to separate lower nibble, that is 0.5. That means ultimate मतलब क्या होता है उसका? I want to mask this 2. Is it clear, student? Right? Same way, suppose if I say I want to separate my higher nibble, that means ultimately I want to mask my lower nibble. I want to separate my higher nibble, which is 20. So I want to mask this 5. Are you following, Anjali, Rahul, Yojit, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct? So,
Yes, ma'am.
yes. So previously in our last lab, what we did is we had 2 data bytes. जैसे हम लोग ने टास्क 2 में भी वो चीज किया था. We had 2 data bytes. Out of that 2 data byte, we had separated our lower nibbles, which is 06 and 05 in this case, and we had performed an XORing operation with that lower order data bytes. Yes or no? We did that in task 2. Along with that, what we had discussed, suppose if I am having a separation of this data byte, मैंने 06 और 05 separate कर लिए और उसको मुझे exchange करने हैं. I want to exchange this nibbles. मतलब after execution, my data must be 35 and 26. क्या किया मैंने? ये lower nibble को exchange कर दिया. ये 5 को यहाँ पे move कर दिया और ये 6 को यहाँ पे move कर दिया. हम लोग ने किया था लास्ट टाइम ये चीज. यस और नो?
Yes, ma'am.
करेक्ट. सेम वे, सपोज इफ आई से आई वांट टू एक्सचेंज दिस हायर निबल, दैट मीन्स आई वांट टू मेक माय डेटा which is 26 and 35. Again, the data remains same, 25 and 36, right? But you are exchanging your higher nibbles. Now, students, but if we know this masking operation, and now along with that, if I'm combining this rotation related instruction, which is nibble exchange concept, what I want to do is, I want to exchange my nibbles, but not lower nibbles or higher nibbles. I want to exchange the nibbles in cross, right? This 3 higher nibble of this first number should be exchanged with this number. Or you can exchange lower nibble of this number with the higher nibble of this, right? So try to understand what we want to do or how can we do this. Suppose my number is 98 and 56. These two numbers I want to consider. Now I want to make it, I want to exchange this nibble, higher nibble of this with lower nibble of this. So my number must be 68. My number must be, ये 6 मेरा यहाँ पे चले जाएगा और ये मेरा 5 की जगह पे 5 के पास क्या आ जाएगा? 9. So I want to exchange it like this. 6 मेरा यहाँ से यहाँ चला गया और 9 मेरा यहाँ से यहाँ आ गया, right? So I want to exchange my nibbles in cross. Are you getting me, student? What we want to do now? Yes or no? Anjali?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct. So, students, can anyone tell me how can we proceed? कैसे कर सकते हैं ये? Yes. What is your idea? How can we do this? Rahul? Are you getting?
I'm thinking.
Yes. Yochit? Yes. वेदांत, आज आप कुछ कंट्रीब्यूट नहीं कर रहे हो वेदांत?
Yes, ma'am.
What? How can we do this?
Sorry, ma'am.
Have you got the point? What we want to do?
Yes, ma'am.
So, what is your idea? See, हम लोग ने लास्ट टाइम ऑलरेडी लोअर निबल को एक्सचेंज किया था. Now we want to exchange it in cross. This higher nibble of first number should be exchanged with the lower nibble of second number. Just think for one more minute. Yes, Anjali, what do you think?
Ma'am, in the second number, we can first mask the 6 and then add the lower nibble of the first number, higher nibble.
Then?
But for the first number, how we can do, I am thinking on that.
Okay. Students, just try to understand here. The procedure, what we want to do, that just try to understand, then write a equivalent code for that. Here I have two number. Which two number we took there?
98 and 56.
98 and 56. Just a minute. Right? $98 and 56. If you remember, previously we did this. If out of 98 first I want to separate my higher nibble, what I need to do? मुझे 98 में से higher nibble को separate करना है. That means I want to mask this 8. What I need to do?
Ending with F0.
Very good, Anjali, right? If you are performing an ending operation with F0, you are able to separate 90 out of 98. If you will perform ending operation with 0F, what is your separation? Lower
08.
order data.
08.
Correct. Lower order data byte will be separated. Like same way, you will separate 50 and 06. Correct? By performing an ending operation with F0, you will find 50 and with 0F you will find 06. अभी हम लोग को लोअर निबल या तो हायर निबल को हायर निबल से सेपरेट करना होता, आई मीन एक्सचेंज करना होता, तो सिंपली व्हाट विल डू इज वी विल add this 50 and 8, that will give us 58, and we'll add this 90 and 6, that will give us 96. But अभी हम लोग को क्या करना है, ये 90 जो है, राइट, हम लोग को जो एक्सचेंज करना है, दैट इज लाइक 98 and 56. We want to exchange it like this. मतलब जो 6 है, that should be converted into 60. Are you getting me, student? ये यहाँ पे 6 को मुझे यहाँ पे लेके जाना है, मतलब if I have a 60, then I can add 8, that will give me 68. Are you getting me? Yes or no? Right? So 6 को 60 में कैसे कन्वर्ट करते हैं स्टूडेंट्स?
higher
Yes.
higher bit, lower bit, lower.
But how can we do this? How this 06 can be converted into 60?
मैम
मैम RLC.
वेरी गुड, 4 टाइम्स रोटेट. हमने जस्ट अभी किया प्रोग्राम. इफ यू रोटेट योर कंटेंट ऑफ अक्यूमुलेटर 4 टाइम्स, यू कैन एक्सचेंज योर निबल्स. यस और नो? 0 यहाँ पे किसी किसी
यस
ने,
मैम, इन बाइनरी.
यस, किसी ने 40 डेटा लिया था तो 4 हो गया, किसी ने 4 लिया था तो 40 हो गया था, राइट? सो यू कैन से चेक हियर that I want to convert 6 into 60. I want to exchange this nibble. I have to use a rotation related instruction, right? Like same way, this 90 that I had separated, वो मुझे किस में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा? यहाँ पे लेके जाना है, इसलिए वो मुझे किस में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा?
09.
09 में, right? Then I can add it, I can combine it with 50. Are you getting me, student? Right? So how this 90 can be converted into 09? We have to use RLC or RRC 4 times. So ultimately your result will become 68. You will add this 60 and 08, and you will add this 9 and 50. So that will give you 59. I hope I'm clear with this discussion. Any doubt, student, here in this? Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so what you need to do is first take a data bytes, right? आप पहले data byte ले लो ना, कोई भी data byte you can take. जैसे यहाँ पे मैंने 9856 लिया, you can take any data byte. Now out of data byte, first you need to separate your lower order data byte and higher order data byte. Then you have to check कि आप ऐसे exchange कर रहे हो तो किसको rotate करना पड़ेगा, that you need to check, and then you can perform and combining operation. Okay, can we do this now? Rahul, Neil,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, Vedant, Nilesh, Anjali, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so just do it. Yes, students. Rahul, doing? Nilesh?
Yes, ma'am, doing.
Okay.
Doing, ma'am.
While doing, if you are facing any difficulty, please discuss. Done, Anjali?
No, ma'am.
This particular code includes all the concepts related to logical group, right? So अगर ये कोड आपको आ गया, that means you must understand all the concepts. तो ही आएगा आपको. Rahul, have you separated your nibbles from the numbers? Student, while taking the number, make sure you will not take this any of the nibbles zero, right? आप एक भी से consider करोगे. Nilesh, got the point? What we want to do here?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct. ક્યાં સુધી પહોંચ્યા? See, first take these two numbers, take this data bytes into register, separate your lower nibble and higher nibble by performing an ending operation with F0 and 0F. यहाँ तक हमने previously task 2 में already किया था, right? So up to that easily you can do. Now you need to think that I want to exchange my lower nibble with higher nibble of data byte. That means it should be rotated 4 times. So which number you had stored into your register that you need to shift right or left will make no difference. Up either side, any side you can shift and you can exchange your nibble, then combine it with the remaining number, right? Yes, Rahul?
I'm like I have loaded B and
Rahul, your voice is cracking. Rahul, I'm not able to hear you. Yes, can you repeat, please?
I'm audible now.
Your voice is breaking.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ऐसा है तो आप यस चैट बॉक्स में डाल दो. यस. Just post your question here in chat box. It's okay. I'll give answer.
Ma'am, now I am audible.
Yes, now.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. I am saying that like I have loaded the B and C register with the data 57 and 68H.
Correct.
Then I have then I have loaded that accumulator with 0F LDA by using LDA function. Then I have AND with B, so it will give me like 07 or 57.
Correct.
And then like the data which we get from the emulator, then we can store it in a new register, or like how we can manage that.
Yes, you can preserve it in any other register because you need your accumulator free, right? Because आपने जैसे lower order byte को separate किया वैसे आपको higher order byte को भी separate करने के लिए you need accumulator. So you need to keep it free. So suppose आपने डेटा लिया एक रजिस्टर B में, उसमें से एक डेटा बाइट आपने सेपरेट कर दिया, सपोज 98 लिया, उसमें से you had separated 08, right? Again you need to take 98 in accumulator and you need to separate 90, right? You need to mask 08. So thing is आपको अपना accumulator तो फ्री रखना पड़ेगा. So जैसे आपने 08 को separate किया, you just move it into another register. Again, take the data into your accumulator and separate, perform an ending operation and separate your higher order byte. Same operation you need to do with another data. Are you getting me, Rahul?
So it will work.
Again, voice is breaking. See.
Ma'am, I am saying that it will require then 4 extra register, I guess.
Yes. For register, it will require, so what? You can use 4, 5 register. You have 6 registers, right, total. So it can be manageable. Suppose, say, we are having a data like 98 and 56, Rahul. So what you will do first? ये 98 आपने for example register B में ले लिया, उसका ending operation आपने कर दिया 0F से. That means your data is now 08 in accumulator, right? So what you will do is again आपको 98 में से 90 को भी separate करना है. So you will transfer this 08 into another register. Are you getting me?
Yes, ma'am.
Correct. Like same way, you need to consider for 56. Anjali, you will not share your code here in chat box. You share your screen and just present your code.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So first of all, tell me your data bytes.
ma'am,
क्या
I have taken 98 and 56 only.
same?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So it should be 68 and 59.
Yes,
Correct.
ma'am.
Correct. That you are taking in register B and C. Very good. Correct. Okay, assemble it. Hmm. Okay. Okay. Execute. Just move. Go ahead. Good. Right. So your register B and CBC pair contains your result, right? Correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. You can stop your presenter. Okay. Very good. Done by Anjali. Nilesh, where are you? Have you separated? Yes.
Yes, yes मैम.
Have you separated your bytes? कहाँ तक पहुंचा आपका कोड ये पूछ रही हूँ.
मैम अभी तो पूरा नहीं हुआ है लेकिन थोड़ा बाकी है.
हाँ कहाँ तक हुआ है?
मैम वो
वेदांत वेदांत ओके. राहुल आपका हो गया? राहुल
थोड़ा बचा है.
okay. See, these 4-5 students, they are doing very actively and they know, they are aware with each and every concept. So what remaining student are you doing or not? Kandar, Kushal. Kushal, are you doing? Divyansh, Kirtan. Kushal,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, are you doing?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you share your screen?
मैम मैं मोबाइल में से कर रहा हूँ, लैपटॉप नहीं है इसलिए.
So मोबाइल में से कोडिंग कैसे कर रहे हो? ओके. आपने अगर बुक पेन मतलब हैंड रिटन भी किया, यू जस्ट टेक अ स्नैप एंड सेंड इट मी ऑन व्हाट्सएप.
Okay, ma'am.
ओके. कुलदीप, व्हाट आर यू डूइंग? यश, यश किरालिया, स्वाति, प्राची, प्राची, आर यू डूइंग? राहुल, इफ यू आर फेसिंग एनी डिफिकल्टी प्लीज डिस्कस. क्या हो रहा है प्रॉब्लम?
मैम मैं I have separated the higher and lower, but I was can like merge them again.
ओके ओके। अभी जो आपने हायर ऑर्डर और लोअर ऑर्डर को सेपरेट किया है ना, उसमें देख लो कि आपको किस बिट को रोटेट करना है, राइट? ऐसे दो डेटा पैड्स हो गए जिसको आपको रोटेट करना पड़ेगा। तो सिंपली आइडेंटिफाई इट, रोटेट इट एंड कंबाइन इट।
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Anjali, for the combination you had used ending add operation or or operation? What operation you had used?
Ma'am, add operation.
Okay. Can you replace it with or?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, do it. Okay. Anjali, paste your code here. Okay, students. Okay. Anjali, you want to explain this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just word.
So first we have loaded the BC pair with the data 96 and 56.
Correct, student. See, here you can use MVI instruction, or instead of MVI, what you can use, Rahul, to load BC pair?
Ma'am, LXI.
Very good. So we can use LXI also, right? So the whole register pair will be loaded with the 16-bit number. Correct. Okay, Anjali, move ahead.
Then we have used F0 to mask
Correct.
the lower bit and the higher bit. So I have separated all the bits like 90, 08, 50 and 06.
Correct. So here, first of all, F0 से आप जब भी accumulator और register B को ending करोगे, you will able to separate 90. That is shared mode in register A. Then 0F, MVI 0F फिर से उसमें move करके accumulator में register B के साथ ही फिर से ending किया है. So C has separated lower nibble which is 08 and वो उसने कहाँ पे डाल दिया, register E में. Correct, Anjali, go ahead.
Yes, ma'am. So I have separated all and stored in the registers.
Correct. Like same way, you need to take another number, right? जो आपका C का डेटा है वो आप ले लो और C को F0 और 0F से you just perform an ending operation. You are able to separate your higher nibble and lower nibble, and that shared stored in H and L. Very good. Correct.
And then to convert 90 into 09, I have used RRC 4 times. So
Okay.
that I have stored
Why?
in D.
Okay. Why you had transfer 0 0 in accumulator?
Ma'am, to avoid the carry.
Okay, very good. So if there isn't carry, तो वो accumulator में तो नहीं होगा, वो flag में होगा.
Yes, ma'am.
और आप कब जब भी कोई भी लॉजिकल ऑपरेशन करते हो ना अंजलि, इट विल नेवर जनरेट एनी कैरी, राइट?
Okay,
आप
ma'am. Yes.
if will observe your previous result, previous processes before MVI 00, all are logical, right? So logical operation will never generate carry. Okay. So you can avoid this instruction, right? You can.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then
So 9209 I have converted using the RRC.
very good.
And
Right. Okay, correct.
and again for
That number 6 or 8 was there, and that you want to
06 to 60. Yes.
correct.
Zero.
So 6 you want to convert it into a 60. Again, you can avoid this because there is no need to clear your accumulator, right? It is necessary, but previous or all the instruction are related to logic group will generate no carry, right? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. And then I have done the ORing, or we can use the add operation also.
Very good. Done. Right. So, students, here for the combining, you can use ADD or you can use ORA, because right now we are dealing with the logical group. So, I advise you to use ORA instruction. If any of the input of your given data byte is 1, your output is 1. So, ultimately, you can add these two numbers. You can combine these two numbers, and that share transfer in register B and register C. Very good answer, right? Students, in this much of time, those who can do this program, they know all the concept related to this group, then only they can do it, right? Because it is not easy to separate all 4 data bytes, to identify which data byte should be rotated and then combine. So very good, Anjali. Rahul, now you are done with the code, or still it's remaining?
Ma'am, I have done it, but I have one question, like how we can know that how many times we have to rotate? What
You
is
want,
there any?
yes, you want to exchange your nibbles, so 4 times. आपको 60 में से 6 करना है या 6 में से 60 करना है, दैट मीन्स आपको 4 बिट को शिफ्ट करना है ना? जीरो, राहुल, आर यू गेटिंग मी?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Okay, first 4 bits, like we have to.
Yes, suppose 06 is your number. 0 0 0 0 6 is how much? 0 1 1 0, right? तो 0 1 1 0 आपको यहाँ पे हायर ऑर्डर पे लेके जाना है, और 0 0 0 यू वांट टू शिफ्ट ऑन टू द लोअर ऑर्डर बाइट्स, लोअर ऑर्डर for bit. So what? How many times you need to rotate? 4 times. Simple. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you share your screen? कहाँ तक पहुँचे? Can you just share it with us?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, is it visible?
Yeah, it's visible.
Ma'am, I have done this.
So, which number you are taking?
Ma'am, 57 and 68.
Correct. 57 and 68. So it should be 87 and 65. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, are you able to do this?
Yes, ma'am. Little bit problem. I will change it. RRC.
RLC करोगे या RRC करोगे, will make no difference. आप 4 बिट लेफ्ट साइड रोटेट करोगे, 4 बिट राइट साइड रोटेट करोगे, you will find same result. Will make no difference.
मैम एक्चुअली इट्स 78 here.
87 आना चाहिए. Can you paste your code here because I'm not able to see properly.
Okay, ma'am.
Chat box में यहाँ पे press करो. Yes. So we can check here now. So your data is 57 and 68. So 0F लेके B से so you had separated 07 उसको आपने D में डाल दिया. Then F0 करके A and B. ओके इसको ई में ट्रांसफर कर दिया. देन NBI 0F सी और डेटा एच में ले लिया और F0NSC डेटा. फिर ये डी का डेटा ए में क्यों लिया? डेटा डी इज 0F 57 विच इज नो 07. आपका राहुल जो 50 है ना 50 मतलब ई में जो डेटा है ना.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके उसको रोटेट करना है. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ मूव ए कोमा डी राइट मूव ए कोमा ई
Okay, ma'am. E for that. Okay.
है ना. उसको आपको 50 को 5 करना है राइट.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके
Then
करेक्ट.
ma'am, after that it's coming 0D.
एक मिनट अभी आगे भी देखना पड़ेगा.
Okay.
ई का डेटा ए में डाल के आपने रोटेट 4 टाइम्स कर दिया. उसको ऐड एच से किया. एच में क्या है आपका?
Ma'am, H it's 08.
एच
Ma'am,
इज
68 का जो मास्क.
यस करेक्ट. नहीं वो 8 को आपको 80 करना है. आपको जो वो 50 का आपने 5 किया ना वो
Yes, ma'am.
60 से आपको ऐड करना है राइट. जहाँ पे आपने 60 रखा है ना उसके साथ उसको ऐड करना है. आर यू गेटिंग माई
Yes,
पॉइंट
ma'am.
राइट.
Yes, ma'am.
एंड जो आपका 8 है that first you need to convert it into 80 and then combine it with 07. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now just do that. Will
So I have to move this H into A. I'm not still getting it.
okay. So it's okay. You just try to understand.
I will try it. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. So, students, I hope this is clear to you. All right. Any doubt up to here? Anyone? So your attendance is already done. I'm just repeating your absent number: 25, 26, 32, 35, 34, 36, 37, 43, 27, 178, 28. Right? Okay.
34 present, ma'am.
Ma'am, 35 present.
चिंतन, you are coming here for present only? आप अपने
No, ma'am.
कलीग से पूछो. मैंने आपका नाम कितनी बार बोला है. You just ask your friends. आप फर्स्ट 30 मिनट में कहाँ पे थे?